Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your first financial bank credit card PIN, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your first financial bank credit card PIN, start by locating your card. Make sure your card is active and in good standing. Next, visit the official First Financial Bank website. Look for the Customer Service or Support section. Find the option for Credit Card Services. Click on the link to manage your credit card PIN. You may need to log into your online banking account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have online access, look for a Forgot PIN option. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code. Once verified, locate the option to reset your PIN. Choose a new PIN that meets the bank's guidelines. Enter the new PIN and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your new PIN is memorable but not easily guessed. After confirming, submit your request to reset the PIN. Wait for a notification confirming your PIN has been updated. You should receive an email or SMS confirming the change. If you encounter any issues, contact customer service for assistance. Keep your new PIN secure and do not share it with anyone. You can now use your new PIN for transactions that require it. Be sure to test your new PIN during your next transaction to ensure it works. If you need further assistance, refer back to the customer service options. Follow these steps to maintain secure access to your credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.